bakit ka kumuha ng insurance?
First reason is it felt like the right thing to do. Parang feeling ko I was doing something responsible.
Ginamit sa'yo ng insurance agent to convince you to get the investment-linked insurance. Na ang myth ay, ang insurance, kailangan mo pang retirement.
Yes, we hear that a lot. Oo,
Yes,
oo.
okay.
Because parang ang explanation is this is VUL, pwede mo siyang kuning benefit bago ka mamatay, and then this is parang retirement money na rin.
Yes, no? Except that they didn't tell you, you will earn less.
Ang investment ang tamang gamit na pang-retirement, hindi insurance. Unahin ang mga sumusunod para sa iyong retirement. SSS para sa pribadong sektor at GSIS naman sa mga kawani ng gobyerno. Personal Equity Retirement Account or Pera. Pension plans. Investment products tulad ng bonds, mutual funds, UITFs, dividend earning stocks, real estate properties o yung mga kumikita ng passive income.
Diba? So, para sa akin, ang investment ay para sa retirement. Ang insurance para sa protection. We have to make a very clear delineation, a clear separation of those two. Okay? So, kung pang-retirement ang hanap mo, dapat invest yan. And go with the basics. Kapag ikaw ay pribadong empleyado, SSS. Kapag ikaw ay nasa gobyerno, GSIS. Yan yung basic na plan natin for retirement. And then we also have another law that just came up, the Pera law, no? The Personal Equity Retirement Account. No? So that's another way to address our retirement. Another way to do it is to get pension plans. No? So pension plans are not insurance. Magkaiba yon, no? And the other one is to invest in traditional investments. You can go into mutual funds, UITFs, stock investing, real estate, no? And these things, they generate passive income for you. So, yun yung investment na pang-retirement. Yung insurance, pang-protection lang dapat siya talaga. Paulit-ulit na sinasabi ko that we have to separate insurance from investment.
So, yung pagiging investment ng insurance, parang masyadong malaki yung babayaran mo para sa iyong katamaran, basically.
Yes.
Sinasabi mo.
Yes.
Dapat you should do that on your own,
Yeah.
and cut out the middleman.
Yes, yes. So, and sa totoo lang, no, what are you cutting out? You're really cutting out the insurance agent, which is the middleman. Because pwede naman na magdirekta ka na sa broker mismo, no? Mutual fund na binibenta sa UIT, mutual fund na binibenta sa VUL, ay the same mutual fund na binibenta ng mga brokers. UITF na binibenta sa VUL are the same UITFs na binibenta sa banks.
So might as well go straight.
Go directly. Oo. Marami sa atin ang gustong yumaman agad dahil sa hirap ng buhay. Pero para sa akin, ang pinakamabilis pa rin na paraan sa pagyaman ay kung magdadahan-dahan.
Kaya maiging paghandaan ang ating hinaharap sa pamamagitan ng dagdag kaalaman sa pag-iipon, tamang pangungutang at pag-iinvest. Ako si Araullo.
Ako naman si Sir Vince, nagsasabing, ang pagyaman na pag-aaralan.